face is not bright. Mama, good day. Your face is so. What is the problem? Eh?
My dear, there is no problem.
Are you sure?
There's no problem. I'm okay.
Mama. Mama, please.
My dear, I am regretting giving birth to my son.
Mama. There's not gotten to this now. Children of these days are like that. Mama, no now. Mama, is that why your face is like that? Mama, don't worry. Naka will change. Don't worry, it will change. I promise I'll always come to take care of you. Have you eaten? Okay, don't worry. Let me go and get your food for you. Stop crying, don't cry.
Baby, your Pant, oh yeah, bring them. Not they use me joke.
So you have received the confirmation.
Of course we have. Good. Wow. Of course.
You have received the alert, huh? And 1 month will be inclusive. You both need cars. Wow.
Well, for me, it's early to buy cars. Yes, let's save up more money before buying cars.
Boss, let's hustle more a little more time and make more Benjamins. And cars will come.
No. You see, your little tension is something that is driving your understanding. Let me clear you. At this juncture, in this business, you need cars. It will help the business, push the business faster. You understand? You all need cars. Cars. When they see you, they will never think you're not or Pant. So the business is free.
Okay, boss.
No?
Alright. You win.
I will tell my agent to contact you. Only got because only there. No?
Thank you. My sisters, are you not happy? I'm okay, but take it. What is the problem? What is it on him? On him with the problem?
We are sick. We are sick.
We are sick? As in both of you?
Aye.
Come on, Lisa.
Aye.
What is the problem? I thought it. Musika, you people are sick and you could not even tell me.
We are waiting for you to come back.
You are waiting for me to come back. You were waiting for me to come back. Don't you have my phone?
So
don't you have my number?
Aye.
So open Anjebe Cambodia.
Aye.
Yeah. Get up. Let's go to the hospital. Ngwa.
Aye.
What is this? You've been sick and nobody cared to even call me. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Huh? It's not Afoy. Afoy Amaka. And I want him anti-anuro. Afoy, let's go. Don't get to the hospital, I will confirm. Because oh, in a ticket to my number. Oh, this boy's not jeans and I will know when I get to the hospital. Let it not be what I'm thinking. Yeah, it's a action. Yeah. So if I didn't come back, both of you will be shouting, Afom. Get inside the car. Don't. Because I don't understand. Both of you. I will know when I get to work. Okay, kind of man.
Doctor, I am worried. What is wrong with my sisters?
We've run all the necessary tests on your sisters and we found nothing. Which means their ailment has no medical explanation. Never to worry. I prescribed some drugs that will stabilize them for now.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Mama, good day. How are you?
Odinaka, you choose a path to destruction. My son, why have you allowed your urge for money to move your feet to the wrong ground? Why?
Mama, must you condemn every move I make? Must you? Appreciate me for once, no matter what. I'm your son. It's not easy to make money. Oh. Mama, it is not easy to make money. You see all I do as bad, evil. It's wrong. Appreciate me for once. I'm your son. And it's not easy to make money.
My son, I still want you to walk uprightly and believe that one day the good Lord will surely reward you.
Mama, I'm tired of this. Since you don't want to appreciate and celebrate my success, I will never step my foot into this house again. Stay on your own.
My son.
Mama, stay on your own.
Please, turn a good leaf and make peace with your maker.
I should turn a new leaf and make peace with my maker. Good. Where was your maker when I was hungry? Where was your maker when I was roaming around the street looking for a job after 5 years in school? Where was your maker? Mama, since you've decided not to celebrate my success, stay on your own. That's simple.
This is for both of you. When you're exhausted, call me. Do not begin to wait for me to come back. Oh, are you listening? From time to time, I will be coming to check on you. And I'll soon take you away from here when I'm done building my own house.
Brother, you're building a house too?
Of course, it's no longer news now. What's the news now? You can get Pentecost.
Very soon the streets will hear about it. Huh? Okay. So, Ngwanu, let me get on with my activities. Okay? Omalisa, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, okay? Ngwanu, ciao. I need to or the day. Alright? One.
Ngozi, I'm surprised that this is her brother's new money. He's even building a house.
Amaka, when our brother used to say, one day Oluwa will pick all, I know it will happen. It's just a pity that her parents are not here to witness this success. So painful.
You think so?
I know so. I just pray that God should keep blessing him for us. That should be our prayer. I know. Amaka, let's go inside. Let's go inside.
I want to stay here first, please.
Good day, Mama.
Rita, what can I do for you?
I came to see your son.
I don't have a son. Can't you hear?
Mama, I'm talking about Odinaka, my friend, your son. Is he inside? Mama? Mama, I'm talking about your son, my friend Odinaka. Mama? Mama? She doesn't have a son. I don't understand. She even locked me. It's not alone. I will come back. Danfo, Echo, does it mean what I'm hearing is wrong?
What are you hearing?
It's no longer news that my Odinaka and Ubuntu have made real money. Real cash.
You heard that too.
You did?
Yes.
Does it mean you are not with them?
They said the game chose them alone. So we're here, waiting for our understand. Show you all understand. Show long
Anyway, I just came back from school. I decided to come and see you guys.
I bet Odinaka does not call you.
How did you know about that?
Oh.
I have been calling him. His numbers are no longer connecting.
They got all the link they have here, except their mother that is still here. The new money they made has made them to forget all the people they started with. Manabachoso, Agwama.
Odinaka. Do you know where they live now?
Sholong Landrode.
Rita! Mama? Come.
All is well.
Yes. My beautiful daughter.
Mama.
Yes. I want us to talk.
I hope there is no problem.
No problem. I want us to discuss on that boy particularly called Odinaka. I want to advise you, stay away from him. He has no good reputation in this land. Everybody is talking part of him. Please stay away from him. Please, my daughter.
Mama, I love Odinaka. I am not a child. I'm an adult. I know what is good for me. Please, Mama, allow me and Odinaka to do what we like. Please. I'm in love with him.
Rita, my daughter. If okay no na wefu. Want to create n'elu kwa oji. Amafia. No woman will see her child entering into fire and keep quiet. Please.
Mama, please.
Stay away from him.
Mama, just please. Tomorrow will take care of himself. Please. I'm out of here.
One day, I don't know why my mom hates me so much.
Don't worry. Your money will make her believe in you. When you make excess money now, she will not have any other option than to believe in you.
You don't know my mom. She's not someone you can buy with material things. What's up, darling? Wow, baby, you're here.
No, I'm there. Even if it's a lie. Why did you cut off from me?
Baby, it's not what you think. Let's go inside, I can explain.
I knew you would.
Baby, trust me, I can explain. Can we just go in?
Is it not obvious you have made money and have made new friends? Should I live with your past? Is that what you want me to do?
Like I said before, it's not what you think. I can explain. Alright? Let's go in.
I'm still not happy with you. I'm not happy.
Alright, I'm sorry. Can we not go in?
So I just come now. I did 3D the view. I know I be. But anyhow, so easy. You know, MSC Bobby and a room and I saw to rob by Kunkum.
When did I have this kind of pants? Oh, new pants. Were my old pants too old for me to wear? Maybe he doesn't want me to wear this once again. I like this one. It's so beautiful. It smells nice. That's why I love my baby. He knows what I like.
As far as sin about me,
What's up, darling?
Oh, baby. Are you ready for work?
No, I'm ready for work. Obviously, I'm ready for work.
Wow.
I'm a sharing.
I'll miss you.
Baby.
Please take care of him more. Okay. Go well.
Alright, darling.
Alright, baby. Bye.
No, today is a beautiful day now. Come, let me tell you, bro. See, I have a different strategy today.
Which is?
Let's use one car.
Why don't we use different cars? I mean, Mogo.
Let's use one car. I will explain.
If you say you no go bring up the only option here.
If I carry that girl,
yeah.
No, she's so bad now.
Was she waving for lift?
Wave or no wave, man. Opportunity come but once, so she don't miss this one.
Are you sure say she go at least at the back this one where you there?
No, we'll go down, man. I'm Russian. Yeah, now.
Are they here?
I'll link up with you, yeah?
And now they use me play, yeah. If you say you no go bring up the only option here is I don't suffer no be so.
What's up, darling? Morning, how are you? I love your dimples. Can I lift you? Please, just help me. Ebony black. Look at your fine, sexy dimples.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
So what's your name?
My name is Tina.
Tina.
Yeah.
That's a lovely dimple.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
You no go bring up the only option here. I saw your panty, oh, you bring up, and not that use me play, yeah. If you say you no go bring up the only option here is I don't suffer no be small.
Cars bits. Are we there here now? What about now?
Good afternoon.
How you doing?
I'm fine.
Whether not the small size, whether not the big size, we are bring and make a take you. Poverty no good at all, you. Now you make me enter this business, yo. Baby, your panty, oh, you bring up.
Jesus Christ.
Of Nazareth. Get down!
I'm going down, please.
Get down, my friend.
I'm going down, please.
Bring that bag here. Remove your pant. Fast!
My pant.
Shut up! Remove your pant. Fast!
If it's my pant that you want, I'll give it to you, please. But don't shoot me, please. I'm begging you, please. Don't
Give me.
Baby, your panty, oh, you bring up. Not they use me joke.
Wow. A well-furnished house. Beautiful cars. What could make Odinaka and Ubuntu this rich in such a short period of time?
I just hope it's nothing illegal. Anyway, I will keep my eyes open. Yes. Nothing can be forever hidden under the sun. Nothing. I will get to find out someday. Yes. Yes, I will.
Hold on. My boo-boo. You're back.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Thanks, darling. How was your day?
I'm making him now.
Come on, you're welcome.
Thank you. I hope there's something to eat in this house.
You guys just sit down and relax. Sit down and relax. I'll get you a delicious meal.
Okay.
I'm coming.
How many bags did you even get today?
I will count it later.
Where is the bag?
My baby took it upstairs.
Hey, Dikeh. How you go allow devil to use your brain now, brother?
Meaning, watch your tongue. Meaning,
Bros, you want cabin biscuit our deal? Do you know what Rita's tongue will do when she finds out what is in that bag?
you're right.
All those fish when they chop for soup or one and they goosey. And the ones we lose guard inside water or fishermen them catch them. We could cry our eyes now.
Darling, sugar.
Yes, baby.
Please get me water. Hurry up, okay? Hurry, please.
Sweetie, I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
Hurry up.
I'll be right back.
Oh yeah. Guys, this is the time to shut down the bar for real. Come to enjoy. Waiter. Waiter. Listen. Shut down everywhere.
Sure.
Close the door. No more customers.
Yes, sir.
How much is it?
You.
4 million.
Oh, my baby.
4 million.
Yes, sir.
Just 4 million.
Get more drinks. Bring more drinks. Go. Enjoy.
You know, one thing is making money, and the other one is enjoying it.
You know what?
We have made money.
You guys are the best.
Come on, smile for me. Oh my God. Yeah. Nigga, what's up?
That's my mom! You know what? That's my mom! It's now a gym here to make money.
Yeah, in the gym. You know, let's have a toast.
Look on toast.
Let's have a toast.
You know, we must have let's make it. To the youngest billionaires in town.
The youngest billionaires in town. Hip, hip, hip! Hooray! Hip, hip, hip! Hooray! At this point, we're going to start. Let's go.
Well, yeah, my penny. Well, yeah, my penny. Well, yeah, my penny. Well, yeah, my penny. I go tell you stop block Naija, now you I want to. Today I did not go carry am for head. Let we say Puali Uku, Okwamado Kaibo. For my girl, I want make you do me so. Make you not do me so. Cause now you I want marry. For my girl, I tell me I like this so. I tell me I like that too. Cause now you I want marry. The way you dance with me, I like. The way you shake it, I like. The way you dance with me, I like. The way you they do that thing, girl, I like. The way you dance with me, I like. The way you shake it, me, I want. The way you they do that thing, girl. Make we do that thing, mommy and daddy do burn you. Make we do that thing, mommy and daddy do burn you. To live the girl, fiakwa, ukudangwa. She side the pitangwa, tuona bangwa. I ain't trying to saba. Me akukwa de lamba, man I turn a lounge everywhere and I scatter. My girl, I want them like this, so no do me like that, oh. Cause now you I want carry go. Oh my girl, I tell me I like this, so I tell me I like that, oh. Cause now you I want carry go. Hey, I like the way you dancing me, I like the way you shake it me, I want.
Uchi, I have been thinking, where do Gibson and his friends get the money they spend on a daily basis? I thought they are G guys like us now.
They are G guys. Everybody knows that. But I think there is something they know that we don't really know.
No. I don't think so. I don't think so. I have been in this game long enough. There is no tactics I don't know about. So what are you saying?
So tell me, what could be their secret? Listen, it is obvious those guys are making it big. Can't you see? The highest amount we have picked so far is £500. How much is £500 compared to the money those guys are spending on daily basis? Tell me.
I will confront Gibson.
Hmm?
Yes, I am going to confront Gibson.
How do you think he will tell you their secret?
You see, I once did Gibson a favor. I don't think he will turn me down. No. He won't turn me down.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
I have money. Enjoy yourself.
Chuka the man.
Chuka the man.
Hey.
Take it.
Gibson.
Take it.
The man.
Young dog, man.
Hey.
Relax.
Gibson.
Join the celebration. Oh boy, come on. How are you?
Hi. Hi.
Gibson.
Yeah.
Hey.
Johnny.
Gibson.
You're my man, man.
Chuka the man.
Hey.
My man.
Who is this?
This is my friend Uche. Uche, this is Gibson. Gibson, the real man, the one I told you about.
Oh, you're welcome once again. Yeah, I'm always a Gibson.
Gibson.
Yeah. Enjoy yourself. We have everything here. We have drinks, whatever you want.
Gibson. The money making machine.
Hi. Enjoy yourself. That's so sweet, man.
Oh.
Gibson.
Chuka. It's been a long time.
Yeah, look at you, man. Hi. Shit.
Gibson the man.
Man, enjoy yourself. Enjoy. Hey! Yeah, it's good thing you are here. Money is good. Hey!
Gibson. I know I am not supposed to be discussing this with you in this kind of place, but
I can't help it.
Gibson, I want you to help me. Me and my friend, we want to be like you guys. We want to be big boys like you.
Chuka, you guys do what we do. How then do you want us to help you?
Gibson, it is very obvious that you guys are bigger and larger than us. Eh? Even the blind can see it. Gibson, can you just please do this for me for old time's sake? At least for the good old days. Gibson, if you can remember very well, I took you in when your people asked you to leave. Gibson, please, I will forever be grateful to you. Please just do this for me and my friend. I beg you.
Well, Chuka, I will ponder over it. Just give me some time.
Gibson.
What's up with you, guy? But at this point, let's enjoy ourselves. Yes, enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself, huh?
Baby, your Pant, oh yeah, bring 'em over. Not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring 'em, the only option here, your Pant or your life. I saw your Pant, oh yeah, bring 'em, baby, and not they use me play. If you say you no go bring 'em, the only option here is your Pant or your life. As I'm trying to survive, I am hustling on the street every day. Your Pant came to my rescue. As far as saying money, your Pant or your life.
Slow. Don't tell me you're still on the like this.
Gibson, are you serious? Wait, I thought you were even joking. Don't tell me you want to take those boys to Chief.
You know, you guys know how much I hate bringing people into this club or leaking our secrets. But the fact is, this guy has really helped me. He was the one who talked me into this business. So, I have to help him. I think I really need to return his favors back to him.
I am not comfortable with this idea. I am not. Don't you think it's necessary discussing it with Chief first? At least we find out his own opinion over this before we take further decisions.
Listen, Gibson. This decision you must ponder over. You have to ponder over it again. Because we can't have you bring in someone that will drag our heads to a knock.
Okay.
You must have to think over it again.
You tell him. We have to be very careful. Don't take laws into your hands.
Yes.
Gibson.
Gibson the man.
Sugar the man.
Gibson, the real deal.
You're welcome. You're welcome, bro.
Gibson, the real deal.
Yeah, have a seat. You're welcome to my abode.
Hey. Gibson. Hey. Gibson.
Well, this is nothing. I am bigger than this. Gibson, without wasting time, let me go straight to the point. We are here in respect to what we discussed. Oh yes. Are you guys ready for this? Gibson, you should know me. Gibson, you know me. Once it comes to money, I'm involved. I am always game. Once it involves the cash, once the money is involved, I am ever ready. Are we not ready? Why not? So, what are we saying? It's alright. It's alright. My boss has agreed to accept your... Yes.
Hey! Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Hey! Thank you, God. Mama, shake me now. Hey! Gibson, thank you very much. Bros, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I promise I will forever remain grateful to you. Me too. Hey! Me too. Gibson the man.
You guys are ever welcome.
Gibson the money making machine. Hey! Yeah. I'm going to be a big boy. Cruising in a Benzo.
We, not you.
Okay. Cruising in a Benzo. Hey! Gibson the money spender. Gibson the man. Shake me again now. Gibson, shake me again.
Oh man. You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Jokes.
Yes, boss.
Are you sure that the both of you can handle this?
Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
Do you have the heart that is strong enough to handle millions?
Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Yes.
Now, dip your hands one after the other into that pot. And whatever your hands feel, as soon as you get home, before you drink any water, dip each of the Pant waters into your cup of water before you drink.
Boss, this pan smells very disgusting. It smells mud. Boss, we will do it. We will do it, boss.
the more it smells, the more money. The smelling of Pantemodo, the oozy of Pantemodo, oozes billions in all its channels.
Thank you, boss.
Baby, your band, oh yeah, bring them. Not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here, your band or your life.
Keep it on the floor for me.
Oh yeah, bring them, and not they use me play. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here is your band or your life.
Bros, how do you expect me to drink water from this dirty and smelling pant?
Chuka. If you are not ready to be a millionaire, Chuka, if you are not ready to be a millionaire, take back this pants to Chief. As for me, I am ready to eat this pants here.
Oh yeah, bring them, not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here, your band or your life. I saw your band, oh yeah, bring them, and not they use me play. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here is your band or your life. As I'm trying to survive, I am hustling on the street every day. Your bounty came to my rescue. As far as saying money.
What is wrong with you? Chuka. When you start making the money now, you not remember this God.
It seems as if you have been drinking this thing before.
No, this is my first time of taking it.
Are you sure?
I'm busy.
Say you no go bring them, the only option here, your band or your life.
Hey, they don't break. They don't break. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out now. Check it out, Uche. 150 million naira. I don't die. Hey, my guy. This money where enter, he no go finish. Amen. Hey, my God. Jesus. Oh, boy. 150 million naira. Hey. This is called cash out. Hey. We are cashing out. We just cashed out. Hey, my God. You are dancing now. See, bring that thing. See this. This money where enter, he no go finish. Amen. We don't hammer. Hey. Finally. Which car will buy now? Guy. Hey. Which car we need to at least go pick one car tomorrow. First in the club, babes, drinks. Yeah. First in the club. Motor now. No drive motor enter club. But you don't stress now. More chill out now. We go chill, but we need ride. We need ride. Hey. We need ride. Chuka, we need ride.
Are you serious? How were you able to pick up such amount so huge in just a short while? 150 million naira is not the kind of money you just speak at once. Oh, lucky you. But do not forget to go back and pay your tithes and loyalty to your source, because you can be revised. You might find out revised. You can be revised. Okay. Wow.
115 million. Sorry, sir. You mean someone just picked 150 million naira?
Yeah. Are you serious? I'm sure your hearing aid was able to comprehend the discourse. You had it clear.
Are you serious?
150 million naira.
Oh, yes. You know, outside your, what did you say you have? So you have a land there? What did you call it?
Resident permit.
Your resident permit. Outside your residential permission, you can make so much money that you begin to swim in the bosom of men. And thank your goodness that I'm about to step you outside that residential permit. Finally, thank God.
Sir, we are loyal boys and we are always thankful. And trust me, we will still be grateful in future. Just teach us how to pick such amounts.
Joey, but if there's a place such an amount of money can be picked, could you find out where Jenny and you found out Bonaka?
I don't, please, boss, please.
You know, when you tell a child that the well is deep, he looks at your face and says, is that not what I've had? I train some boys in what we call G+. And they make extra deep wealth.
Sorry, sir, I want to get this bit by bit. What is G+?
It is called Yahoo.
G+. Yahoo. So whatever it is, we can learn. Whatever I lay my hands on shall prosper. So teach me. In fact, teach us. We will prosper.
Of course. Just give us the OT.
Can any of you use the same hand to type on the computer? Can you operate the computer with that your hand? Whatever he lays his hand on prospers. Can you prosper with computer?
Computer? Of course now. I went to school now. But just give us the OT. It's one time. But
I don't know how to press computer.
Maybe you go show us way now. You just teach us now.
Let me make it very clear to all of you, to both of you. Continue in the quest of picking up and it will make you glorious. It will give you more money. And trust me, I shall make sure that your bank account will be flowing and overflowing. Opantemodi is a good business. Forget about Akaraka. Okay. Anyway, so am I getting the 150 pieces you talked about?
Boss, it's death on the street and it's not a problem.
One of my own numbers.
Baby, your band, oh, you bring them, not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here. I saw your band, oh, you bring them.
Come here.
Your what? The man?
Come here. Come here. Where's your pants?
We're not putting on pants. No pants.
If I find out that you are putting on pants, come on, scamper. It's your small. Come here. Come on, Jantete. How do you survive? These children do not wear pants anymore.
Now you make me enter this business, yo. Baby, your pants, oh, you bring them, not they use me joke, If you say you no go bring them, the only option here, I saw your pants, oh, you bring them, and not they use me play, If you say you no go bring them, the only option here.
This is the last thing I ever expected to hear from the two of you. I brought you out from the slump, believing that you will do well, with enough strength, and you come to tell me this kind of rubbish?
Boss, I don't know how to explain this, but trust me, these girls don't wear pants anymore. Everybody's naked these days.
Oh.
Yes, they don't wear pants anymore.
If suddenly all the up and downwards has disappeared from the surface of earth, then you should go back and continue to eat the money you already made. And when the money is finished, you can return to the slum. As I vamoose away from your presence, vamoose from my abode. Chief, do not shift me. Vamoose from my abode.
It's not like we're not working. The gear
I said vamoose from my abode. No up and down, no business.
I don't suffer, no be small. Hustling on the street every day. But your party came to my rescue. As far as say now.
What do we do, man?
I know what to do.
Then share it immediately. Oh, maybe.
When we get to the car.
Poverty no good at all, Now you make me enter this business, Baby, your pants, oh, you bring them, not they use me joke, If you say you no go bring them, the only option here, I saw your pants, oh, you bring them, and not they use me play, If you say you no go bring them, the only option here is
Sir, please don't kill me. Please. Please, sir, please, I'm begging.
Go down. Remove your pants.
Sir, please, I'm begging you. Please don't kill me. Please, sir.
Remove your pants.
I want pints.
Remove your pants.
Fine, sir, please. Please, I don't hear any pints here, sir, please.
Sorry?
I don't have any pints here, sir, please.
You're not wearing any pants?
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
You are not wearing any pants?
Yes, sir. Please, sir, don't kill me, please, I beg you.
If you move. Look, wear these pants. Take my friend. You're not wearing any pants. Fool. Wear it. No, come back here. Come back here.
I'm begging you, sir, please. Don't kill me, sir.
Come
please.
back here.
Please, sir.
Come back here. Close my door. Close it. Be smiling. Don't know people. Don't make people know what's going on. Be smiling. If you frown, you're dead. I say be smiling. Be smiling. Hold on.
Thank you, sir.
Pull the pant. Pull the pant.
Thank you, sir.
Close my door.
Baby, your band, oh yeah, bring them. Not they use me joke. If you say you no go, bring them.
This new strategy is making sense. The day is still young. We've gotten like 10 pounds. Good business.
My brother, don't you think it's time we begin to think of or think about what Chief Akuma does with those pants?
Is it necessary? It's not necessary now. I mean, we bring the pant, he gives us our money. So what he does with them shouldn't be our business. After all, he pays us.
You're gonna talk about when I'm mother age, you know, you're gonna talk $100. You know, why don't you shift that all? Take your mind away from the money and think deep. Look into it deeply on what this man does with those pants. Okay, have you asked yourself why in such a big city girls no longer wear pants? Are they not afraid?
It's simple. They are afraid.
So why are they afraid?
Wait. What did he do? No, wait. Guys, what did he do? Wait now. Why no one kill him now? What did he do? Thief. Why no one kill him?
You don't reach.
Okay now, what that?
This guy is thief.
Come and stop that! Hey! Ogini! What man come? What has he done? Go see them, go see them. He stole ordinary this bag, he surely wear. What man come? Eh? Okay, we'll finish this one here. Let's see how much he stole. Oh my God. What a blanket. What is this? What is this? Makeup and makeup prison. You guys are the criminals. Is this your bag? This is not your bag. He snatched it from someone. Please get up. Ini, get up, my brother. Look at. Get into the car. Let me take you straight to the hospital. It will not be good. Go and get a job. Let me tell you something. Get a job. Nonsense.
Thanks for saving my life.
You should be thanking your stars. You know those boys would have roasted you alive and turned you to suya. What did you do?
Oh God, I stole. No job now. If I have a good job, I won't be a thief. No job. I have nothing going on. I need to survive. No job.
No job.
Please help me. If I have a job, I won't be a thief.
Tell me, do you live around here?
Yes.
Are we close to your place now?
Yeah, my house is over there.
Okay. I will drop you. And tomorrow, I'll come back by this time again to your place.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. You saved my life.
No, you are just lucky. And what is inside the bag? Nonsense. Makeup. It's not good to be tapping from women. There are other good things you can tap from women. But I will let you know about that. Is this the place?
Yes, sir. This is our house.
Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
See you tomorrow. I'll be here by this time.
Thank you, sir.
Have a nice day.
Thank
Take some, pain relief.
All right, sir.
See you tomorrow. When there are lots of good things that he can do, instead of tapping a woman's back. When you get there up on Tenwodo, it makes a lot of money. What would you do with their bags? Their bags are often filled with some kind of crazy makeup. Mande China, Mande Kotonguli. A young boy, strong boy, simple. What up on Tenwodo? One pant, years ago, his life will change.
My son.
Mama.
I saw a huge amount of money in this house. And I am also aware how you have been spending money lately. I wonder whose money you took this time.
Mama, I did not take anybody's money. Every dime you see me spend, I made it. Am I not old enough to make money?
But it is clear to me, very, very clear to me that that money that I saw in this house is not yours. But in whatever thing you get your life into, let the heaven and earth bear me witness that I am not in support of it. That is all I have to tell you.